Okay guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another video with Carl's Garage, brought to you by Straight Outta Content. Today I'm going to be giving you a very, very vital Kia engine settlement update. You do not want to miss this. Definitely want to pay attention to this entire video from beginning to end because I'm going to be giving you some new information that just came out. This information just came out March 10th. So today is March 13th. So this information just came out 3 days ago, guys. I'm kind of late, but I kind of knew about it, but I didn't have time to make this video. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. Make sure you pay attention to the whole video. Let's go ahead and get into these new Kia engine settlement issues. Okay guys, so this article was put out on March 10th and it was put out by USA Today. And the title of it is Kia recall issue to fix Sorento, Forte, Optima, Soul vehicles that could catch fire. Now, many of you guys have had Soul vehicles. Many of you guys have had Sorentos. I've had a lot of my followers, Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee has a Kia Soul. It has not caught on fire. Thank you, God. It has not caught on fire, but this recall is still pertaining to that because the fire issue was an issue for a little while and then it kind of just made the news, you know, cars catching on fire, and then it kind of dwindled away. You didn't really hear too much about it. Even me, I wasn't really reporting so much on the fires as I was reporting on like your actual engine just failing. I had a lot more people. In fact, I've never had anybody comment below on any of my videos. I have 12 videos in my series. I've never had anybody comment on any of my videos stating that their cars caught on fire. I have a lot of people concerned, scared, but I've yet to have somebody comment or contact me through email or Instagram that any of their vehicles caught on fire. So again, that's a good thing. I don't want anybody's vehicles to catch on fire. So with that being said, there's some key information in this article that I want to share with you guys today. I will put the link down below, but I'm going to read the article. So this way it's not just my opinion, it's actually what's going on. So let's go ahead and get into the article. It was Associated Press, USA Today, 12:07 p.m., March 10th, 2021. Detroit. Kia is recalling nearly 295,000 vehicles in the US because the engines can stall or catch on fire. Key word, stall or catch on fire. This pertains to you. Please keep listening to this video. A week ago, Kia and affiliated Korean automaker Hyundai were fined by the US government for allegedly delaying recalls. Now, this I can definitely attest to. This, I have firsthand experience of people contacting me, especially two main places, California, Canada. Now, Canada, I can't help because you're in another country and you guys know y'all's government is a lot different than ours. But California, man, I've got so many people complaining and going through the toughest times in California. It's crazy. I don't get it. I don't know why California gives so many people with these cars such a hard time, but I'm glad that finally they got fined. I will read it again. A week ago, Kia and affiliated Korean automaker Hyundai were fined by the US government for allegedly delaying recalls. Yes. Hey, government, check out this video because I have many cases of people delaying, of these companies delaying recalls for this or for that, or it's like, hey, if the engine fails, it's your fault, fix the dang engine. That's it. So please, guys, if you're in California or if you're in any other state and you have a delayed recall, or you have something going on with your engine and it's delayed and they're giving you the runaround, contact me because I'm gonna keep calling these dealerships up on video so that you guys can watch, and then we're gonna keep pressing it. So I hope that, you know, some of these videos maybe helped because it was a week ago and I've been doing this for about 6 months now. So let's go ahead and read the rest of the article. The recall covers certain 2012 and 2013 Sorento SUVs, 2012 through 2015 Fortes. Guys, remember a lot of people had a Kia Forte and they weren't covering it, but now they are. 2012 to 2015 Kia Forte and the Forte Koup, K-O-U-P, cars, and 2011 through 2013 Optima Hybrid cars. So they've added some more cars. Also included are the 2014 through 2015 Soul SUVs, and 2012 Sportage SUVs. Again, all this entire article will be in the description down below. Also, with the link to the article will also be there as well. So, Kia said in a document posted Saturday by the US government that no manufacturing defect has been found, but it's recalling the vehicles to mitigate any risk of fire. This, I don't know if this is a buyback or are they going to just recall these full vehicles? I don't know. Let's keep reading. So the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration began investigating Kia and Hyundai engine fires in 2019. The agency opened a probe after the nonprofit Center for Auto Safety filed a petition seeking the investigation. When the inquiry began, the agency said it had owner complaints of more than 3,100 fires, 103 injuries, and 1 death. Thank God we don't want anybody to die, but I thought that I was about to read, because this is my first time reading. I'm reading it with you guys. I thought that I was about to read there were a lot more deaths. Let's thank God that not a lot of people died. It sucks that 3,100 fires and 103 injuries. That's insane. Anyway, let's keep reading. Dealers will inspect engines for fuel or oil leaks and replace them if necessary. The company is developing a NOx sensor software update. I'm the king of the NOx sensor software update. And I've been telling everybody, if you own a Kia, I don't care what model it is, if you own a Kia or a freaking Hyundai, you need to be calling your local dealership and you need to be getting that NOx detector sensor software update. And if you do not, or if they deny you, contact me, DM me on Instagram, or email me, and we will see why they are not going to give you that protection. If you already do have it, and you have something going wrong with your car, that's not a valve cover gasket, because you guys have already seen this baby right here. I've had to replace the valve cover gasket at my own expense. I've had to replace the AC compressor at my own expense. I've got to go get another cabin air filter, because this, for some reason, the cabin air filter in this car is disgusting. Like every 3 months, it goes nasty. At my expense. The fan assembly at my expense. So obviously, it's really only pertaining to engine issues. And I get a lot of people who have stuff going wrong with their car, but you have to make sure that it's 100% an engine issue, not something that could seem like an engine issue, like a valve cover gasket or stalling or something like that. Like if a car runs rough, it could be a spark plug. It could be a coil pack. So if you, oh my God, my car is stuttering, I can't start it, and then you go and it's a coil pack or it's a transmission solenoid, you know they're gonna charge you, then they're gonna kick you right out. So just be very careful with that. Okay. Last week, the NHTSA announced that Kia and Hyundai must pay $137 million in fines for safety improvements because they moved too slowly. They moved too slowly to recall more than 1 million vehicles with engines that can fail. The fines resolve a 3-year government probe into the company's behavior involving recalls on multiple models dating to the 2011 model year. They really are trying to do people dirty. They already had a $750-something million lawsuit back in November of 2020. Now they got another $137 million fine. I'm glad that the government is stepping up. I'm glad that this administration is stepping up and making these guys accountable. And they said 2019, so the probe was done in 19. So even the last administration, who cares? Hey, thank you to the last administration. Thank you to this administration. Everybody's stepping up because everybody across the board understands whichever side that you're on, this is wrong, and they're doing people dirty. And a lot of people with these cars are going through hell to get them fixed, and it's not their fault. And I'm one of them, and I'm not gonna stop until everybody either has their engine replaced or their car running good and they feel safe in their cars. I'm not gonna stop. Let's go. Let's keep reading. So Kia must pay $27 million and invest $16 million on safety performance measures. Another $27 million payment will be deferred as long as Kia meets safety conditions, the NHTSA said. Kia denied the U.S. allegations, but said it wanted to avoid protracted legal fight. Yeah, they don't want to go through another lawsuit. Man, these guys, listen, I'll tell you what, before I read this last thing, let me go ahead and read it. Engine failure and fire probes with Hyundais and Kias Engine failure and fire problems with Hyundais and Kias have plagued the companies for more than 5 years. I've only been reporting on it for 6 months, 8 months maybe. So that's how the article ends. But what I wanted to touch on was that the Kia denied the US allegations, but said it wanted to avoid protracted legal fight. No, you are not, no, hell no. No, you don't get to get away with that. You don't get to deny the allegations. Because this is what's gonna happen. If we continue to allow Kia to deny the allegations, we're gonna end up like Canada, because you're not getting your car fixed in Canada. I got a lot of people who comment on my videos, hey, I'm in Canada and this Kia engine settlement doesn't work up here. Yeah, it doesn't. For some reason, the administration up there isn't pushing Kia to replace the engines in those cars up there, and I feel really, really, really bad. Here in America, they are. And it's luckily because of people like myself and other people who comment and go, and then if you contact me, I will call the dealership. Remember, you cannot do it at your dealership where you purchased your car. It has to be an official Kia and Hyundai dealership. So again, I just really wanted to make this video. I just made another video on Amazon sending me the wrong part. Make sure you guys go check that out. But this video is extremely important because of people like Mr. Lee, who has a Kia Soul, and I think he's put like 4 valve covers on his car or something like that. Like, there's still a lot out there to kind of figure out what we're gonna do as far as getting your car fixed. In fact, I think he's even having like transmission issues or something like that. So Mr. Lee, make sure you contact me, man, and let me know how it's going with your car. Hopefully you kind of get some information from this and learn something. Anybody else out there, hopefully you guys learned something from this video. I'm gonna keep digging some more. I got a brand new recall list of like 10 plus cars. So I'll be doing another video on that, of all the new recalls that have just came out for all different types of cars, from Lamborghini to Buick, you name it. I'll be reading each recall so that you guys, if you own that car, you go check them out. Okay guys, so that's gonna be the end of this video. Please leave a bunch of comments. Let me know what kind of deals that you're dealing with. Let me know what kind of things that you're dealing with, because I wanna help you out. I figured I'd come out here and make this video real quick, so I really do wanna help everybody out. Please contact me, okay? This is how you get a hold of me, through email. I'll put that down below, okay? That's my email, or through Instagram, okay? Contact me, DM me, please. I need to know your issues. Send me videos, send me your, what you went through. I need to know so that I can put this on video so that I can help you. So I got another guy, one of my subscribers, who just contacted me today. He was letting me know that he got his engine fully replaced. So I told him to contact me on Instagram so that I can share it with you guys, because I've got a lot of skeptical comments. I went through my comments the other day and I've got a lot of skeptical comments of people saying, oh no, you can't do this. Oh no, you can't do that. But a lot of them had Hyundai vehicles, and Hyundai only has a certain amount of cars that they're really pushing the recall for, and this is why they got in trouble. So Kia is really kind of stepping up. Even though they're denying US allegations, they're still kind of stepping up. But if you notice in the article that I just read, that you can go read yourself, you notice Hyundai didn't say anything. Kia is the only company who said anything. So that just kind of has me a little weary. If you have a Hyundai vehicle, don't knock my videos. My videos are truthful. I'm not just jumping on the camera and just giving you guys, stuff out of my butt. I'm reading to you actual articles. And then it's up to you to decide, and it's up to you to do your due diligence. But I'm just letting you know that I'm here to help you get your car fixed and stuff like that. So that's just to all the haters. You're always gonna have haters. So anyway, guys, you guys know my slogan. I'm gonna head out of here. Please be safe. Please be safe. If you need any more information, check out all other 12 of my videos and then contact me. Because chances are a lot of people just watch like one video, then they contact me, and I've already answered the question in one of my other videos. So make sure you guys do that, and contact me on Instagram, email me if you have any questions. You can, you can always contact me there, or you can contact my wife on Flash Custom Design. Make sure you guys go purchase some merch and stuff like that. So I'm gonna head out of here. I'm hungry. I still have not ate because I made 2 videos for you guys today. So make sure you guys subscribe. Please hit that like button, because I'm up to 1,500 subscribers. So it's really gonna help the video get out there so all the people who own a Kia Hyundai can really see this video. Please hit that like button, please share it. All right, guys, I'm gonna get something to eat. I'm hungry. You guys know my slogan. Be safe, be basic. Peace.